Welcome back to the science class again. In last science class we have learned about structure of tooth. Structure of tooth is divided into two parts. The upper part above the gum is the crown. The part below the or inside the gum is known as root. The crown, inside the crown we have enamel, dentine, which is a hard part of the tooth. Pulp is the brown area where we have the nerves, and all these tooth and our teeth are held by the gums. So today we are going to learn about tooth decay. When we eat small bit of food may get stuck between our teeth. When we do not brush our teeth properly, this stuck food rots. So the food which is stuck between the teeth start rotting. Our teeth get covered with a thin sticky layer of germs called plaque. The plaque react with the sugar present in the food to produce acid. This acid affects the enamel and start decaying it. This is called tooth decay. So what happens when we eat food like chocolates, and after eating chocolate, if we don't wash our teeth, what happens? The bit of chocolate stays between the teeth and start rotting over there. Slowly germs comes and take place over there. It form a sticky layers which is known as plaque, and plaque react with sugar, form acid, and this acid affects the enamel and start decaying it. This process is known as tooth decay. Tooth decay causes holes or cavities. The cavity grows bigger and deeper over time. So the small bit of holes, or you can see the cavity, slowly it becomes bigger and bigger in size. This exposes the nerves and blood vessel in the pulp. Slowly this enamels and dentine become hole between them, and the hole reach till the pulp, and we can find the nerves over there. So as it exposes the nerves and the blood vessels in the pulp and causes pain. So as it reach the enamel and dentine become whole and reach to the pulp, then our teeth started paining. Now the causes of tooth decay. Tooth decay causes the following: holes or cavities in the teeth. So in the teeth, holes takes place, and this holes means you have a hole. Suppose you have a hole over here, this is the crown, a hole will take place, and slowly it will go down and make a hole, and it will reach near the pulp. You can see a hole is made over here, and which is coming towards the pulp. Loss of teeth, and as you will have the cavities, holes and cavities, it will start paining. Why? Because now it has reached till the pulp where the nerves and the blood vessel are exposed. So you have to take it out because you are having pain. So there is a loss of teeth, foul smell from the mouth, and digestive disorder. So you cannot eat properly, you will have a digestive problem also. So if the tooth decay, these are the problems you may face. So class, when you are having food, have your food, wash your mouth properly, and in the morning and at night twice you should brush your teeth. Thank you.